Konnichiwa. Today we will learn some Japanese word with a theme of classroom.
Konnichiwa, watashi no namae wa Adamu desu. It means my name is Adam. Watashi no gakusei bango wa D ni 0 ni 41111842.
Konnichiwa. Watashi no namae wa Hachiku desu. Hi, my name is Haziq. Watashi no gakusen bango wa D ni 0 ni 41111842.
Konnichiwa, watashi no namae wa Hafiz desu. Hello, my name is Hafiz. Watashi no gakusei bango wa D ni 0 ni 41111840 desu.
Okay, for the first word is borupe. Borupe. Borupe means ballpoint pen. Ballpoint pen. For example, koe wa ballpen desu. It means this is a ballpoint pen. Second is noto. Noto. Noto means notebook. For examples of sentence is Hi, koe wa watashi no noto desu. This means yes, this is my notebook. Moving to the next part is keshigomu. Keshigomu. Keshigomu means eraser. For example of question is Keshigomu ga arimasu ka? It means do you have an eraser? Moving to the next part is sensei. Sensei. Sensei means teacher. For example, Ohayo gozaimasu sensei. It means good morning teacher.
Next is a bag. In Japanese, you can say kaban. Kaban. For example, kore wa kaban desu. It means this is a bag. This is a bag. Next is a key. In Japanese, you can say kagi. Kagi. For example, kagi wa watashi no kaban ni arimasu ka? Kagi wa watashi no kaban ni arimasu ka? Is the key in my bag. Is the key in my bag. Next is comics. In Japanese language, you can say manga. Manga. For example, watashi wa manga o yomu no ga suki desu. Watashi wa manga o yomu no ga suki desu. It means I like reading comics. I like reading comics. Next is purse. In Japanese, you can say saiful. Saiful. For example, kare wa watashi no saifu desu ka? Kare wa watashi no saifu desu ka? It means, is that my purse? Is that my purse? Next is student. In Japanese, you can say gakusei. Gakusei. For example, watashi wa gakusei desu. Watashi wa gakusei desu. It means, I am a student. I am a student.
Okay, the next word is enpisu. Enpisu means pencil. For example, enpisu ga arimasu ka? Enpisu ga arimasu ka? Means, do you have a pencil? Okay, the next is kyokasho. Kyokasho means textbooks. For example, kore wa nihongo no kyokasho desu. Kore wa nihongo no kyokasho desu. Means, this is a Japanese textbook. So the next word is jisho. Jisho means dictionary. For example, tosho ga ni jisho ga arimasu ka? Tosho ga ni jisho ga arimasu ka? Means, are there any dictionary in the library? So that's all from us. Arigatou gozaimasu.